Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best fish finders on the market to help you maximize your time on the water. Whether you're fishing for fun or looking to reel in a trophy catch, a reliable fish finder can make all the difference. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Humminbird PiranhaMax 4 Fish Finder. The Humminbird PiranhaMax 4 Fish Finder is a great device for people who don't really like gadgets all that much. It is controlled by just a few buttons set under its bright 4.3-inch screen, and it shares data in large, easy-to-read numbers and clear imaging. It uses different colors to differentiate between structures like brush piles or drop-offs, and it clearly shows the depth of every fish it detects. And it's accurate down to 600 feet. Unfortunately, in water much shallower than 12 feet, this isn't a very accurate fish finder, but it does quite well in waters deeper than that, especially considering its price point, and it starts working right away once turned on. You can select a narrower beam of sonar or a wider spread depending on the type of water and the fish you are after, and you can swivel and tilt the fish finder to enjoy the most convenient view. Coming in at number 4 is the Lowrance HDS-Live Fish Finder. The Lowrance HDS-Live Fish Finder is so precise in its real-time tracking of fish that it's almost unsporting. It updates so quickly you can track individual fish, and its sensors are so precise that they show off underwater structures down to the foot. You'll always know what's going on under your boat. Because this fish finder has down imaging and side imaging sonar, you'll know what's going on to the sides, front, and back as well. It comes preloaded with 4,000 lakes, and it tracks your progress, so you can always retrace your route if you find a loaded fishing spot. The HDS-Live Fish Finder can also plan routes for you. It factors in the size and draft of your boat to plot the most efficient ways to get to fishing spots or back to the dock or ramp. You'll pay handsomely for all of the abilities here, as in approaching $1,000 for the 7-inch screen HDS-Live. There have been some reports of poor customer service, but fortunately, most people who have used this fish finder have been very happy with it. At number 3, we have the Lowrance Hook 2 Fish Finder. A Lowrance Hook 2 Fish Finder is affordable, reliable, and relatively easy to use. Once you have played around with it some, it is relatively light and compact, so you can use it in smaller boats without getting in the way of your fishing rod or tackle box. And it is waterproof, so some splashing is no problem. With an effective depth down to 500 feet, it will find even deep swimming fish. And with a much wider sonar cone than most fish finders, it casts a wide net, so to speak, revealing more fish and structure beneath you. The 4.3-inch screen is big enough and bright enough to be read at a glance, and the unit is controlled by onboard buttons. The interface of the Hook 2 is similar to that of a smartphone, so it will be easy for most users to navigate the system, which is good because the included instructions are not that clear. Also, watch out for the water's depth to update rather slowly, but if you are staying in one spot for a while, that's not much of a problem. All told, this fish finder punches well above the weight of its price tag. Number 2 on our list is the Lucky Portable Fish Finder. The Lucky Portable Fish Finder costs well under $50, but while basic, it's a surprisingly reliable unit, especially when it comes to finding the depth of seabed, riverbed, or lakebed underneath you. And with an effective depth range spanning between 3 feet and 328 feet. You can use this fish finder in very shallow water or much deeper areas. This is a perfect fish finder for people who are newer to angling, as it really could not be much easier to use. You power it on, choose whether you want to see things in feet or meters, and toss the transducer into the water. Then graphics showing bottom contour details, plant life detected, and fish will pop up on the screen. That screen is small and lacking in detail, but the depths at which the fish are reported under the water will be accurate. Just make sure to keep the water off of this fish finder, as it's not waterproof. It is flexible, though, with a 25-foot-long cable that allows it to be used from a pier, a boat, a kayak, or for ice fishing. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Lowrance Elite FS7 Fish Finder. The Lowrance Elite FS7 Fish Finder scans for fish using 3 different technologies: chirp, downscan, and side scan. The former is ideal for very deep water. The middle choice gives a clear image of the water close to the bottom of your boat. and the latter investigates a wide swath around your vessel. Taken all together, this 3-in-1 approach means fish have little chance of being missed. And you will see it all on the bright, crystal clear 7-inch screen of this high-end fish finder. The HDS-Live comes preloaded with maps of thousands of North American lakes, and its GPS connectivity makes it easy to find your way around. This is a pricey fish finder, but it's also waterproof and durable and will last for a good number of years. And with its buttons and multi-touch touchscreen controls, it offers you lots of control features, including a programmable button that can call up your most important function at once. The live, real-time sonar imaging lets you not only find fish, but also note how they are reacting to your lures, so you can adjust your style as needed. And there you have it, the top 5 best fish finders to elevate your fishing experience. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gear reviews. Until next time, happy fishing!